Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preserving your environment so you can restore it later. First, make sure you've synced or copied your settings and the %appdata%/code folder. This saves preferences, snippets, and key bindings. Next, close Visual Studio Code and confirm no processes remain in Task Manager, because leftover processes block Uninstall. Finally, export your extension list with code list extensions to a file so you can reinstall exactly what you had. Once done, you're ready to remove the application. You proceed to uninstall using the System Uninstaller, Control Panel or Settings apps on Windows, or delete the application from Applications on Mac OS. Once the uninstaller finishes, make sure to remove leftover folders like %appdata%/code, %localappdata%/program/code, and %userprofile%/. vscode to clear caches and extensions. On Mac OS or Linux, remove user-level preferences and binaries. If you want a spotless reinstall, you now reinstall from the official installer and launch Visual Studio Code to let initial setup complete. After launching, restore your environment by signing into Settings Sync or copying your backed up settings and the extensions list, then reinstall extensions using the logged file. This saves time and keeps your workflow intact. Make sure to open a project, run the integrated terminal, and start the debugger to confirm everything works. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: remove remaining user folders and reinstall again to eliminate corrupted state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.